Carry. He is carrying the books. Catch. I tried to catch the ball but I failed it. Choose. I want to choose between them. Clean. She has cleaned your room. Dig. I am digging a hole. Dizzy. I felt a bit weak and dizzy in this morning. Draw. She will draw a flower in the drawing class. Dry. Your t-shirt is finally dry. Exercise. He exercises every day. Feed. She is feeding her daughter. Fly. I love to fly kite in the park. Homework. I am going to complete my homework. Hug. The kid gave her mother a big hug. Itch. She was itching her hands. Kick. I kicked the ball at first. Knit. She knitted sweaters for her children. Pick. I am picking apples to eat. Pull. Don't pull the weed. Repair. I have repaired my computer. Swing. I was swinging at the park. Talk. Can I talk to you now? Throw. Don't throw rocks in the river. Watch. He was watching TV when I called him. Whisper. Her baby is whispering something into her ear. Wink. She winked at me.